Hello everyone, I am here today in my garden and I have a problem and I don't know what this is, but I need help. If any of you all know what is going on with my sweet corn, looks like I have an ear right here, and then I don't know what this is. So if anyone can help me out with that, I would greatly appreciate it. It looks really nasty and I'm definitely not going to eat it, but if anybody knows what is causing this, please let me know. This is sweet corn. Alright, so I'm in need of help. Let me know.